Hey everyone, welcome back to JobCasting. Today, we're diving into the world of screenwriting, one of the most creative and powerful jobs in the entertainment industry. If you've ever watched a movie or show and thought, I could write something better than this, or if you've got characters and scenes stuck in your head just waiting to be written down, then this episode is for you. We're going to break down how to become a screenwriter, what it really takes, what kind of person usually thrives in this field, and how to actually turn your ideas into scripts that people want to read and maybe even produce. What a screenwriter really does. Let's start with the basics. What does a screenwriter actually do? You're writing the blueprint of a story. Movies, television shows, even video games, they all start with a script. As a screenwriter, your job is to create characters, structure a plot, write dialogue that feels real, and guide the story scene by scene. But it's not just about being a good writer. It's about understanding visual storytelling. You're not writing a novel, you're writing something people will watch. If you're someone who loves movies, loves storytelling, and has a strong sense of rhythm, pacing, and emotion, this might be your lane. Is this job right for you? Now, who's this job really for? Honestly, screenwriting attracts people who are a little obsessed with stories. If you're the type of person who watches a film and then rewrites it in your head, if you like creating characters and imagining conversations between them, or if you get excited thinking about how a story unfolds over time, act by act, then screenwriting could be a great fit. You also need patience. You'll write and rewrite again. Screenwriting is 90% rewriting, and you've got to be okay with feedback and even rejection. That's part of the process. But if you're resilient and love the craft, it's worth it. Do you need film school or a degree? So, do you need a degree to be a screenwriter? Technically, no, nobody's going to ask to see your diploma before they read your script. What really matters is whether you can tell a great story in the right format, with compelling characters and pacing. That said, having a degree in English, journalism, communications, or even film can help. Those programs teach you how to write, how to think critically about stories, and how to communicate clearly, all skills that carry over into screenwriting. But here's the truth. A degree alone won't get you a writing career. Your work has to speak for you. You can also learn a lot on your own through screenwriting books, online classes, workshops, and just by reading real scripts and writing every day. School can be helpful, sure, but it's not a requirement. What matters most is the writing itself. How to start writing? Okay, so how do you actually start? Pick a simple idea, one sentence, like, a single mom discovers her son has superpowers. Or, a struggling musician wakes up in a world where no one remembers the Beatles. Start small. Then outline it beginning, middle, and end. From there, start writing your first draft. Use software like Final Draft, Celtex, or even Writer Duet. Some are free. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just finish it. First drafts are supposed to suck. The magic happens in revisions. How to get your script noticed. So, once you've got a script, how do you get it seen? Here's a few real ways to break in. Film festivals with screenplay categories, like Austin Film Festival or Big Apple Film Festival. Script competitions like The Blacklist, Nickel Fellowship, or Script Pipeline. Pitch platforms like Stage 32 or Coverfly. Or team up with an indie director or filmmaker and make a short film together. Your first few scripts probably won't sell, and that's okay. Each one is practice and progress. The more you write, the better you get. Can you make a living as a screenwriter? Let's talk about the big question, can you actually make a living as a screenwriter? The short answer is yes, but it takes time, consistency, and a little strategy. Some writers sell spec scripts for feature films. Others get hired in writers' rooms for television shows. Many do a mix: freelancing, rewriting, ghostwriting, or creating content for indie projects, branded media, or even video games. Pay varies a lot. A beginner might make a few $100s writing a short film or entering script contests. A professional television writer in a unionized writer's room can make thousands per episode, and feature film writers can land six-figure deals if their script sells. Let me give you a few real-world examples. Diablo Cody. She was a blogger and worked as a stripper before writing Juno. That script won her an Oscar and launched her career. She didn't have a traditional Hollywood background. Aaron Sorkin. He studied musical theater, not film, and got his start writing plays before turning A Few Good Men into a screenplay. He went on to write The West Wing, The Social Network, and more. Lena Waithe. She worked as an assistant and did odd jobs before breaking into television. She wrote for Bones, then Master of None, where she won an Emmy, and now runs her own shows like The Chi. So yeah, it's possible. But these writers all have something in common: they wrote a lot. They kept improving, kept finishing scripts, and kept putting their work out there. The reality is, most screenwriters don't make a living off their first script or even their second or third. You build momentum over time. One strong script might get you an agent. Another might land you in a writer's room. And if you keep building your portfolio and networking, you can start turning this into a full-time career. The answer is yes, you can make a living as a screenwriter, but be prepared to play the long game. Just like any creative career, it takes persistence, growth, and hustle. Advice from experience. Here's what I've learned. Treat screenwriting like a job, even if no one's paying you yet. Write every day, or at least every week. Don't chase trends. Tell the story you want to tell. Get feedback, but learn how to filter it. And most importantly, finish what you start. A half-written masterpiece is still unfinished. A finished script can be fixed, pitched, and shared. If storytelling is in your blood, if you've got a mind for structure and a love for characters, becoming a screenwriter might be your path. It's not easy, but it's worth it. You're not just writing words, you're writing something people experience. Thanks for watching another episode of JobCasting. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what job you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one, and maybe one day I'll be watching a movie you wrote.